Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video, we will learn how to make a snack game using a SSD1306 OLED display and a analog joystick module and a Arduino Nano board. In this circuit, you can see the 5V output pin of the Arduino Nano board connected to the VCC pins of both the SSD1306 OLED display and the analog joystick module. The SDA and SCL pins of the SSD1306 OLED display are connected to the analog pins A4 and A5 of the Arduino Nano board. The horizontal BRX pin of the analog joystick module is connected to the analog pin A0 of the Arduino Nano board, and the vertical BRY pin of the analog joystick module is connected to the analog pin A1 of the Arduino Nano board. Now connect the Arduino Nano board to your PC using a USB cable. After connecting, open the Arduino IDE and load the Arduino code file and select the correct board and port. Once the board and port are selected, upload the code to the Arduino Nano board by clicking the upload button in the Arduino IDE. Now you can see our game is working perfectly without any issues, and when I move the joystick then the snake changes direction.